Another day, another chance to explore. Hello all the wonderful people out there watching my video. Today let's get started with some fascinating facts about new sensation in the world about humanoid robotics. Humanoid robotics is a fascinating field of study and engineering that focuses on creating robots with human-like characteristics and capabilities. The goal of humanoid robotics is to design machines that can interact with humans and their environment in a manner that is intuitive and natural. These robots typically have a bipedal structure, resembling the human body, with a head, torso, arms, and legs. One of the main objectives of humanoid robotics is to replicate human motion and behavior. Following are the top 5 humanoid robots. 1. Sophia Robot. Sophia is a humanoid robot developed by Hanson Robotics. It is designed to have a human-like appearance and can engage in conversations with people. Sophia has gained attention for its realistic facial expressions and has been featured in numerous interviews and conferences. 2. ASIMO Robot. ASIMO is a humanoid robot created by Honda. Is known for its advanced mobility and dexterity. ASIMO can walk, run, climb stairs, and even pour a drink. ASIMO took more than 2 decades of persistent study, research. It's trial and error before Honda engineers achieved the dream of creating an advanced humanoid robot. It has been used to assist with tasks in research and technology exhibitions. 3. Now Robot. Now is a small humanoid robot developed by SoftBank Robotics. It is often used in research and education settings. Now can walk, talk, recognize faces, and perform various tasks. It is also customizable and has a community of developers who create new applications for it. 4. Atlas Robot. Atlas is a humanoid robot created by Boston Dynamics. It is known for its advanced agility and mobility. Atlas can walk, run, jump, and even perform backflips. It has been used in research and development for tasks like search and rescue operations. 5. Pepper Robot. Pepper is a humanoid robot developed by SoftBank Robotics. It is designed to be a companion and can interact with humans through conversation and gestures. Pepper Robot is often used in various environments such as retail, healthcare, and hospitality. These robots showcase the advancements made in robotics and the potential applications in various fields. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.